Hi friends, welcome back to Learn from Scratch. So today we are going to solve one bag and colored ball problems on probability. We have to multiply wherever we find and we have to add wherever we find or in the ball and bag problems. Here is the first question. A bag contains 4 red and 5 black balls. Find the probability that two balls drawn at random simultaneously from the bag are a red and a black. First of all, total number of outcomes is here. He is taking two balls from the total 9 balls. So the total number of outcomes will be 9C2 as he is taking two balls from the 9 balls. So here they are asking the probability of a red and a black. So here we find and. So we have to multiply. So a red ball. So selection of a red ball from 4 red balls is 4C1 into a black ball from 5 black balls is 5C1. So the probability is 4C1 into 5C1 divided by 9C2, that is equals to 4 into 5 divided by 36, which is equals to 20 by 36. After solving we will get that is equals to 5 by 9. So the probability here is 5 by 9. Here two balls are drawn and we have to find the probability of the two are red or two are black. So first of all, total number of possible outcomes is 9C2 as they are selecting or they are taking two balls from the total 9 balls. And so here asking two red or two blacks. So we find here R. So addition place 2 red from 4 red balls. See, selection is 4C2 and 2 black from the 5 black balls. So the selection is 5C2. So the probability is 4C2 plus 5C2 divided by 9C2, that is equals to 6 plus 10 divided by 36, which is equals to 16 by 36. After solving we get 4 by 9, which is the required probability. So here also the bag contains same type of balls. So here three balls are drawn and we have to find the probability for two red and one black or one red and two black balls. So here three balls are drawn. So taking three balls from total 9 balls. So the total possible outcomes is 9C3 and here 2 red and 1 black means 4C2 into 5C1. Here it is R. So place 1 red and 2 black, that means 4C1 into 5C2. So the total probability is 4C2 into 5C1 plus 4C1 into 5C2 divided by 9C3, which is equals to 6 into 5 plus 4 into 10 divided by 84, that is equals to 70 by 84, which is equals to 5 by 6, which is the required probability. So here drawing three balls from the bag and they're asking to find the probability that A, question A, one is red and B, none is red. So first question, one is red. One is red means the remaining two should be from the black. So the probability is 4C1 into 5C2 divided by total number of possible outcomes is 9C3. So the probability is 4C1 into 5C2 divided by 9C3. After solving this, we will get the probability as 10 by 21. So second question B, none is red. None is red means the total should be from the black. So taking 3 balls from the 5 black balls is 5C3 divided by total possible outcomes is 9C3. So the probability is 10 by 84, that is equals to 5 by 42. So here three balls are drawn from the bag and they are asking to find the probability that A, at least two balls are red, B, at most one ball is red. So at least two ball is red means we can have two red balls or three red balls. So the probability is, if we have 2 red balls, the 4C2 into 5C1 plus 3 red balls means 4C3 into 5C0. My total possible outcomes is 9C3. So that is equals to 6 into 5 plus 4 into 1 divided by 84. After solving this, we'll get the probability as 17 by 42. Second question B, at most one ball is red. So maximum one ball is red. So one ball is red, otherwise none ball is red. These are the at most one ball is red. So 4C1 into 5C2 for one ball is red. If none ball is red, then 4C0 into 5C3. The total possible outcomes is 9C3. So the probability is 4C1 into 5C2 plus 4C0 into 5C3 divided by 9C3. After solving this, we'll get the answer as 25 by 42, which is the required probability.